In this video, I'll show you how to set up SMS automation using Mercury. Go to the Template section in the left-hand menu of your Mercury dashboard and select SMS. In the top right corner, click Create Template to get started. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. Enter a short and descriptive template name, for example, Abandoned Cart Reminder. You can also enhance your SMS by adding media attachments like images, videos, or documents, either by uploading a file directly or by including a URL. In the template text box, craft a clear and concise message within 160 characters. You can personalize it using dynamic variables by clicking Add Variable at the bottom right corner. Map each variable to the correct data fields, like the customer's name and abandoned cart link. Use the preview option to see how your message will look to customers. Once satisfied, click on Create. Now our abandoned cart template is ready to be used in automation. Now, go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Cart Abandoned as the automation type, and choose SMS as the channel. Select your SMS template which you have created, and click on Automation. And that's it! Your SMS automation for Shopify using Mercury is now ready. Scan the QR to book a free demo with us.